How to set up Google Home for the first time. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to set up your Google Home app on your device. So let's get started. First, open Google Home application. Now, once you are in, all you have to do is tap on Get Started. Now you need to choose your account. You can either choose the account you have, or you can also tap on use another account and use it. For now, let me just use this one and tap on agree. I agree. Now let's say you wanna create a home, you can just tap on this create home and you can just enter the home nickname and name your home. Now next thing you can do is tap on settings right here. Now you can just edit your privacy, your notifications and more from here, and that's it. This is how you can set up the Google Home in your device. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.